In the words of Mahatma Gandhi, live as if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever. Good morning and welcome everyone to the birth anniversary celebration of two great personalities who have served our nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji and Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. Without further ado, let us start this event with a welcome address by our respected principal sir, Mr. Sudarshan Chaudhary.
In India, Mahatma Gandhi birthday, 2nd October is a national holiday, and globally, Gandhi's birthday is celebrated as an International Day of Non-Violence. As you all know that today we are here to celebrate Mahatma Gandhi's 151st birth anniversary. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, was born on 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat's Sportsdale, Kolkata. On the same day, another man, a great man, was born, and no less than him, two great stalwarts of this country. Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on October 2nd, 1904 at Mughal Sarai. Now the name has been changed. A small railway town 7 miles from Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. His father was a school teacher who died when Lal Bahadur Shastri was only a year and a half old. His mother, still in her 20s, took her 3 small children to her father's house to settle down there. Let us go back to Mahatma Gandhi. After completing his education, he went to London for higher studies, and then after practicing law and completing a law degree, he went on to stay for 21 years in South Africa, but returned to India in 1915. After coming back to India, he started organizing peasants, farmers, and urban laborers to protest against excessive land tax and discrimination against the British government. And he led the Indians in challenging the British imposed salt tax with a 400-kilometer Dandi Salt March in 1930, and later in calling for the British to quit India. And Lal Bahadur Shastri was instrumental when Gandhi gave the call to stand up for the country. He was a young boy of 16 years. He left everything and joined the freedom struggle. That is why he went on to reach the level of Prime Minister. And of course, the lifestyle, if you look at the lifestyle of Gandhiji, was very simple. He used to eat simple vegetarian food and undertook long fasts as a means of self-purification and political progress. He taught lessons of ahimsa, non-violence, as you can see on this poster over there, to many across the people. And the famous slogan of Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, which was coined by Lal Bahadur Shastri himself during the war which took place between India and Pakistan. A little about Lal Bahadur Shastri also. He was so interested in the struggle for freedom, and he was greatly impressed by Mahatma Gandhi's denunciation of the Indian princess. That he was only 16 when Gandhiji called upon the non-cooperation movement, and he jumped on this, and he gave up his studies and everything and jumped into the bandwagon of this country's freedom. Lal Bahadur Shastri joined the Kashi Vidyapith in Varanasi, one of the national institutions set up in defiance of the British. There he came under the influence of great intellectuals and nationalists, and Shastri was the name which he got over there as a bachelor degree, and that name stuck to him. Although his last name was not Shastri, but he was now known as Lal Bahadur Shastri after he received this degree. And in 1930, when Mahatma Gandhi marched to the sea beach of Gandhi and broke the imperial salt law, this symbolic gesture set the country ablaze. Lal Bahadur Shastri threw himself into the struggle for freedom, and He led many defiant captives and spent a total of 7 years in jail. And this afterwards he went on to become the Prime Minister of India, and he was such a great man that once he was the railway minister and there was an accident and he immediately resigned from the post, taking responsibility for the fact that he was responsible. And so these two great men we remember today as children, and we salute them for their great work, and they will always go down in history as two great people. Thank you for this.
Thank you, sir. That will be very well said. Every event is incomplete without his words of wisdom. His speech is mandatory in every event, as we have never grown tired of listening to him. With this, I welcome Sir Tripathi to enlighten us with his wisdom. Words. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Abhishek. A very good morning to you all. It's Gandhi and Shastri birth anniversary and International Day of Non-Violence, and my hearty felicitations on this auspicious day to you all. Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri, two great souls, two great jewels, two great sons of our mother and Bharat Mata, had their incarnation on this earth on the 2nd of October. And this beautiful morning, we are paying our homage to the immortal souls, who always practiced simple living and high. The greatest mover and shaper of the British Empire, Mahatma Gandhi, was frail in shape, but fine in action, and honesty and sincerity personified. Lal Bahadur Shastri was dumb in shape, but hot in action. With the inspiring slogan of Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, he gave a befitting reply to Pakistan in 1965 Indo-Pak War. He was a true follower of Mahatma Gandhi. Our country got enriched and sanctified with the achievements and blessings of these inspiring personalities. This day is also observed as the International Day of Non-Violence. Truth, non-violence, and universal brotherhood were weapons of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, to establish peace in one's mind and in wealth. A coward tells a lie, and the valiant speaks the truth. A coward practices violence, and the valiant non-violence. Universal brotherhood is the key to universal peace. An eye for an eye will make the whole world blind. It's almost impossible to practice non-violence in the face of violence. But that's what Bapu practiced during the freedom movement. He wielded the sticks of non-cooperation movement, quit India movement, and Satyagraha, etc., to beat the British government with. When there was no solution to a knotty problem in sight, he used to fast and pray. He said, and I quote, "I would have been united long ago without prayer." He taught us not to be greedy, because being greedy spoils our mental balance. He said, "The earth has enough for our need, but not for our greed." And if we don't practice this, we must be ready to face the dire consequences in the days to come. There is hardly any subject on earth which escaped Babu's attention, interpretation, and analysis. He was a man of unusual presence of mind and exceptional balance. He had a quick conception and an easy delivery. His retorts were gentle, without malice, but they were spontaneous. We may or may not agree with his philosophy of life, but his ideas, words, and actions have impacted millions and millions in noble lives across the globe. His life was an epitome of austerity and simplicity. Einstein's famous words to Gandhi: generations to come will scarcely believe that such a one as this, ever in flesh and blood, walked upon us. In the words of the great poet Swaminathan Devi, Yug Parivartak, Yug Sansthapak, Yug Sanchalik, the Yugadhar, Yug Nirmata, Yug Mukti, Yug Yugataki, Namaskar. On this auspicious day, let us resolve to follow into his footsteps, to establish peace and love in the world by replacing the love of power with the power of love. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Tripathi sir. You never fail to inspire us with your words. We now have a speech by one of the Hindi teachers of our district, Mrs. Nivedita Srivastava.
सुप्रभात। अमिताभ की धरा पर अभिनंदन है सम्मानित प्रधानाचार्य, शिक्षकगण एवं प्रिय छात्रगण। आज 2 अक्टूबर का दिन प्रत्येक भारतवासियों के लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, क्योंकि आज ही के दिन 2 फूल ऐसे खिले थे जिनसे हिंदुस्तान महक उठा था। जी हाँ, आज ही के दिन 2 महान सपूतों ने जन्म लेकर देश को अपना बना लिया था। सर्वप्रथम हम राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी का जन्मदिन गांधी जयंती के रूप में और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय अहिंसा दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। महात्मा गांधी अपने लक्ष्यों को पूरा करने के लिए अहिंसा का मार्ग अपनाए। आज ही के दिन मरो नहीं मारो तथा जय जवान जय किसान का नारा देने वाले महान विभूति पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री लाल बहादुर शास्त्री का जन्म 1904 में उत्तर प्रदेश के मुगल सराय में हुआ था। शास्त्री जी सच्चे गांधीवादी थे। गांधी जी के आदर्शों को उन्होंने जाया नहीं होने दिया, बल्कि गांधी जी के असहयोग आंदोलन के समय देश की सेवा का व्रत लेकर देश की राजनीति में कूद पड़े। इनको शास्त्री की उपाधि काशी विद्यापीठ द्वारा मिली थी। साबरमती के संत से केवल भारतीय प्रभावित नहीं थे, बल्कि विदेशों में भी उनके आदर्शों को माना गया। गांधी जी ने अहिंसावादी नीतियों से यह बता दिया कि इंसान अगर अपने आप पर भरोसा कर ले तो जीवन की कठिनाइयों का सामना कर सकता है। आज दोनों महान सपूत सशरीर हमारे बीच न सही, लेकिन अपने कर्मों व आदर्शों से हमारे बीच जिंदा हैं, व जिंदा रहेंगे। अंत में एक थे लाल और एक थे बापू, कहाँ हैं अब ऐसे लाल और बापू। दोनों ने जीवन सर्वस्व किया न्यौछावर, दोनों ने जीवन सर्वस्व किया न्यौछावर अपनी इस जननी की खातिर। प्यारे बापू, प्यारे शास्त्री जी, धन्य भाग हमारे जो हम इस धरती पर आए जहाँ ऐसे कर्णधार हमने हैं पाए। एक ने बोला जय जवान जय किसान, दूसरे बोले रघुपति राघव राजा राम। दोनों की थी एक ही बोली, देश हमारा खेले होली। क्यों न बोले हम ये आर, भारत बने हम सबकी शान। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, ma'am, for beautifully articulating the lives of these formidable personalities. Secularism, respecting all faiths and treating each other with equality and love, despite our different faiths, is what Gandhiji taught us and wanted us to practice. We have Vishan, Afan, Pranmi, and Ilya, who have beautifully quoted verses from the scriptures.
सुप्रभात। विद्या ददाति विनयम, विनयात् याति पात्रताम, पात्रत्वात् धनमापनोति, धनात् धर्म तथा सुखम।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। यहदिहि बिहिल्लाहु मनी इत्तबअ रिज़वानह सुबुल उस्सलामत व यखरुजुहुम मिनज़्ज़ुलुमात من الظلمات إلى النور بإذنه ويهدهم إلى صراط مستقيم
सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजोनी सैभम गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसे भी सच सोचे सोच न होवे जे सोचे लखवार चुपे चुप न होवे जे ये रहा निफ्तार पुखिया पुख न उतरी जे पन्ना पनिया पार सहन सियान पालक होवे ता इकना चले नाल किस सच्चियारा हुए किस पूरे टुटे पाल हुकुम रजाई चलना नानक लिखिया नाल
Beatitudes. Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are those who mourn, for they will be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they will inherit the earth. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled. Blessed are the merciful, for they will be shown mercy. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they will see God. Blessed are the peacemaker, for they will be called sons of God. Blessed are those who are persecuted because of righteousness, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are you when people insult you, persecute you, and falsely say all kind of evil against you. Because of me, rejoice and be glad, because great is your reward in heaven. For in the same way they persecute the prophet who were before you. Matthew 5 verses 3 to 12.
Thank you, students. Daily routine, good habits, discipline, social responsibilities are the attributes that each individual must possess. And Shastriji was a great example of all these qualities. We have Anand Prakash of class 6 who has very well defined these attributes.
Both Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji and Mahatma Gandhi emphasized to live a highly disciplined, routine, and self-dependent life. We should follow their steps right now because of this corona crisis. Because to boost our immunity and our health, because the only weapon that we have to fight off this coronavirus is our immunity. We should wake up early in the morning. Waking up early in the morning makes our body healthy and the day good. We feel fresh. Brushing our teeth is very important. We should brush twice a day and for at least 2 minutes. By brushing our teeth, the food that gets stuck between our teeth gets removed and the germs get killed. We should change our toothbrushes every 3 months of brushing. We should take a bath daily to keep ourselves clean and healthy. After taking a bath, we should always wear neat and clean clothes and comb our hair neatly. As we get energy from food, we should have a healthy breakfast so that we have enough energy to do all of our morning course. We should wash our hands before and after a meal. Due to this corona crisis, now we should daily wash our hands many a times with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. This is very important as it kills all the germs and the food color that gets stuck in the skin. We should always use a disinfector to mop a floor so that it can kill all the germs, especially the coronavirus which are present on the floor, as coronavirus can survive for more than 3 days on floor. We should wear a mask and also remind others if they forget to wear a mask before going outside, because it is very necessary as coronavirus can also survive in the air. We should wash our hands and legs thoroughly and also remind others after coming from outside. We should always do this. This is very necessary. And as I have said before, we should keep soap in our hands. We should wash our hands for at least 20 seconds to get rid of the germs present on the surface of our hands. Before sleeping, we should brush our teeth in order to remove the food particles which get stuck between our teeth. Because if they remain for a night, they can transform into bacteria and form cavity, which is very harmful for our teeth. And because of that, our teeth decay also. And I have already told you before that we should brush for at least 2 minutes in night, in day also, and we should brush twice a day. Early to bed and early to rise makes a person healthy, wealthy, and wise. This is a very common phrase, and we all know it. So we should sleep early after doing a small prayer.
Thank you, Anand. When we plant a seed, we not only get a mature tree that provides us with oxygen and necessities, but we also plant the seed of hope and peace. Students of class 6 to 8 have elaborated on this idea and planted a tree each as a tribute to the great souls that serves our nation.
Hello everyone. Tree plantation is significant in the current age of climate change and global warming. Trees take in the carbon dioxide as well as many toxics and give out clean oxygen for all living things to breathe. So, plant as many trees as possible and make this environment clean and green. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Don't tell what to do, but show what to do. Thank you, students, for the lovely message. Now we have Swastik, Sunpriya, Mukul, and Tigran, who have flawlessly played the roles of Gandhiji and Shastriji. I would request the admin to please share the video.
It's the action, not the fruit of the action which is important. You have to do the right thing. It may not be in your power, it may not be in your time that there will be any fruit, but that doesn't mean that you stop doing the right thing. You may never know what is the result of your action, but if you will not do any action, there will be no result.
ये जो स्वराज्य आया है उसे हम मजबूती से अपने पास रखेंगे ताकि कोई दूसरा हमारी तरफ टेढ़ी नज़र भी उठाकर देखे तो हम उसका पूरी तरह से मुकाबला कर सकें। मैं आपसे कहूँगा कि 2 नारे आज लगें। 2 नारा अगर आप लगाएं तो वही असली नारा है जो आज देश की ज़रूरत के मुताबिक। एक तो जय जवान का और दूसरा जय किसान का। यही 2 नारे आज हमारे देश के लिए ज़रूरी हैं। जय जवान, जय किसान।
मैं एक सच्चे, निडर और बहादुर भारत देश का एक बहादुर सिपाही हूँ। मैं दिन रात सरहद पर सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने देश और अपने देशवासियों के लिए खड़ा रहता हूँ ताकि आप पे कोई आँच ना आने दे। हमारे और हमारे साथियों के रहते हम अपने भारत देश पे एक भी आँच नहीं आने देंगे। मैं अपने घर परिवार को छोड़कर अपनी भारत माँ के सेवा के लिए रात दिन एक करके मैं यहाँ डटा हुआ हूँ और यदि इसके लिए मुझे अपनी जान की बाजी लगानी हो तो भी मैं इसके लिए पीछे नहीं हटूंगा। जय हिंद।
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं एक किसान हूँ। मैं अपने किसान होने पर गर्व करता हूँ और मैं इस देश की प्रगति में सहायक बनता हूँ क्योंकि मैं अपने देश को अनाज मुहैया करवाता हूँ और लोगों को भूख से बचाता हूँ और मैं एक समाज सेवक हूँ। जय हिंद।
Thank you, children. We have students who have contributed by making posters, and we would love to share it with you all.
माटी पुकारे तुझे, देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे। भूले हम राह हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे। ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, सालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो पद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के। वंदे में था दम, वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे मातरम।
Well done, children. This event would not have been possible without your constant support and words of encouragement. So, coming towards the end of the program, I would like to invite Mrs. Catherine Ganguly, Head Middle School, St. Paul School, and Director Virendra Ganguly Memorial School for a vote of thanks.
Good morning to one and all present online. It was a delight to witness the students take charge and put up such a great event with the tireless efforts of the teachers. This event has truly done justice in bringing out the great personalities of Mahatma Gandhi and Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri. Many thanks to the students who have put in a lot of effort and created astounding videos, and not to forget the parents' cooperation and support, which has been immense. I would like to place on record my sincere thanks to our principal sir, Mr. Sudarshan Chaudhary, and Mr. V.S. Tripathi sir for their words of encouragement. And further, would like to thank the technical team for organizing this. I would also like to thank Mr. Abhishek Rai, Mr. Vicky Pathak, Mrs. Sapna Gupta, and Mr. Abhishek Kumar for coordinating this so smoothly. And above all, Khushi and Chandra for her immense support. Let us not only listen and see, but also try to embody these teachings in our lives and prove to be worthy citizens of the country. Thank you, God bless.